Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong New Moon in Taurus reading. Tignan natin kung anong energies parating sa inyo ngayong April 28, 2025 at 3:30 a.m. Philippine time. So if you are interested in private readings, mayroon tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. So for you Aquarius, itong new moon in Taurus is happening in your 4th house of family, your home life, your foundation. So maaring merong may mga bago related sa iyong family. Pwedeng bagong member ng family, pwedeng bagong bahay, pwede rin magkakaroon kayo ng interest sa gardening, pag-aayos ng inyong likod bahay, yung inyong harap. Yung tipong magtatanim-tanim ka, ganyan. Some of you naman, maring meron kayong bahay na kukunin, bagong bahay, ganyan, bagong titirahan. Meron tong challenging aspect sa 7th house of your relationship. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, may mga disagreement, no? Lalo na doon sa mga may asawa na dyan. Na may plano ka, may mga gusto kang gawin for your house, pero hindi sang-ayon yung partner mo or hindi ka sinusuportahan. So this may create some conflict, no, sa relationship. Some of you naman, maaring if you are working with someone, pwedeng may bagong projects kayo together na parang marirenew yung project ninyo together. Some of you naman pwedeng magsa-start kayo ng inyong work from home journey. You also have meron tayong challenging aspect sa 1st house, which is about yourself, no? Conflicted yung energy ninyo kasi you want some change. Gusto mo may magbago. Parang every time na nafe-feel mo na parang things are getting boring, wala masyadong excitement, meron kang gustong baguhin, no? Which is talaga namang magbibigay ng excitement yan pag may binabago ka. But of course, kailangan rin yung mga bagay na binabago mo is something na in alignment sa mga goals mo. Kasi pwedeng yung iba nag-trip lang, napag-tripan nyo lang na may baguhin. Pero just for fun or parang hindi mo naman talaga gusto. Okay? Pwede rin iba lipat ng bahay, paglilipat ng bahay. So let's see, ano tong energy ng 4th house for Aquarius. Justice. Page of Wands. Major decision. Yung iba sa inyo, kung matagal na kayong walang communication with your parents, pwedeng kayo mismo yung magre-reach out with your parents or yung parents niya magre-reach out towards you. Yung iba naman, mayroong tripping. Yung meron ka mga binibisitang mga bahay kasi you want to, it's either lilipat ka, magrerenta ka, or bibili ka ng property. So, more on paghahanap ng bahay. Yung iba naman, this is about self-discovery. Meron kang dinidiscover about yung sarili mo, yung mga iba mo pang kayang gawin. You may be stepping out of your comfort zone as well. Especially that Aquarius is in your 1st house. What is the energy ng 7th house? 7 of Pentacles. Oh, okay. Yung iba sa inyo, if you are in a relationship with someone, parang nakukulangan ka sa effort ng person mo. Nakukulangan ka sa mga nakukuha mo, na-experience mo with your partner. This can be a romantic partner, pwedeng family, or business partnership. May mga expectations kasi pero hindi na-meet. So, pag ganon, mas maganda na i-open mo, no, yung expectations mo, like, pag-usapan. Kasi pwede namang merong adjustments na gawin yung other person para lang ma-fulfill yung gusto. Meron din sa inyo rito na parang hindi na kayo interesado sa partner nyo. Oo. I don't know kung ito ay isang malaking challenge na sa relationship ninyo, or you just feel bored. Para kasing kulang na sa adventure. Oo. So, it's time to go on an adventure with your person if you are in a relationship. Or kung single ka naman, I think hindi ka na nagkakaroon ng interest pa sa ngayon sa relationship kasi mas na-enjoy mo yung freedom mo, no? Yung kalayaan na meron ka. Dahil wala ka pang karelasyon. What is the energy ng first house for Aquarius? Oh, yeah. Ito naman. The Chariot. Uy, lovers. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong makikilala na partner, romantic partner, sa pagta-travel ninyo. Parang serendipitous yung pagkikita. Parang tinadhana, ganon. And I feel like this is going to be life-changing sa inyo kasi hindi nyo inaasahan na ito yung taong magugustuhan nyo. Pwede kasi hindi nyo siya talaga totally yung type. It's not, this person may not be your type, but for some reasons, na-attract ka sa kanya, na-attract siya sa'yo. So, this can be a soulmate connection for some of you. Some of you naman, pwedeng merong major travel na gagawin. Kasi the lovers is also about decision. Itong travel na to mas malayo. Ito yung hindi ka pa, hindi ka pa nakapunta sa lugar na yan. Parang, it's more on exploring new things for you. There is someone here naman nagpaplano na tumira sa ibang bansa or lumayo. Bumukod. Lalo na kung nasa toxic family ka, tapos single ka pa naman, wala kang anak, wala kang pinoproblema, ibang responsibilities. Yung iba, yun yung naiisip. Magpakalayo-layo. Have faith in your dreams. Yung iba naman, kaya kayo lalayo, is because gusto nyong tuparin yung inyong mga pangarap dahil hindi nyo yun matutupad kung nandyan lang kayo sa current situation nyo. Confidence is your key to success. Yes. You have to be confident in whatever you do kasi kailangan naniniwala at nagtitiwala ka sa kakayanan mo eh. Kasi ipapakita mo yan sa iba eh. Mararamdaman niya ng iba kung talagang genuine ka, totoo yung pinapakita mo, totoo yung nararamdaman mo, ine-express mo. Your dreams need a practical plan. Yes. Practical plan. Kailangan daw may blueprint ka. Kumbaga, sa pagpapatayo ng bahay, merong plano. 'Di ba? Para alam mo kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin, ano yung sukat talaga. Oo, kumbaga may guide ka. So, it's more on guidance. Okay? That will help you na mas mapadali na ma-achieve yung mga goals mo. So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.